If someone can claim you or your spouse as a dependent, you need to fill out the worksheet on the back of this form. The section you're looking for is Worksheet for Dependents who checked one or both boxes on line 5. And in the example that I'm using, I have a young couple who just got married and are working part-time and going to school. The wife can be claimed by her parents as a deduction, but the husband is not claimed. Together they earn $10,100, and so they enter this amount on line A. Then they add $300 to get $10,400, which totals line A. The minimum standard deduction on line B is $850. So line C, they enter the larger of line A or B, which is line A, or $10,400. Then the maximum standard deduction, if single, is $5,350. If married filing jointly, it's $10,700. And since they're filing jointly, they enter $10,700 on line D. On line E, they enter the smaller of line C or D. Since line C is smaller, they enter $10,400 on line E. This is their standard deduction. On line F, it asks for the exemption amount, which is 0 if you're single or if you're married filing jointly, and both you and your spouse can be claimed as dependents. You enter 0, which is not the case here. But if one of you can be claimed as a dependent, you put $3,400 on line F. Since only one person in this couple can be claimed as a dependent, we put $3,400 on line F and add lines E and F to total up $13,800 on line G. This is the amount that goes on line 5 on the income section. Now that we've completed line 5, we subtract line 5 from line 4, and this gives you your taxable income, which you enter on line 6.